Today we will learn profit and loss. Rohit bought a ball at a price of Rs 90. The price at which an item is purchased is called the cost price. It is represented as CP. Thus, the cost price for Rohit was 90 rupees. Rohit sold the ball to Varun for Rs 120. The price at which an item is sold is called the selling price. It is represented as SP. As Rohit sold the ball for Rs 120, the selling price of the ball was Rs 120 for him. Varun bought the ball from Rohit. What is the cost price for Varun? Think. Absolutely right. Since Varun bought the ball for Rs 120, therefore Rs 120 is the cost price for Varun. In this transaction, Rohit has recovered the value of ball, which is Rs 90, but he also received some additional money. This additional amount is called profit. Whenever the selling price is higher than the cost price, then in such case, the person earns profit. This profit is obtained by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. Here, profit is equal to 120 rupees minus 90 rupees is equal to 30 rupees. It means that Rohit spent 90 rupees on which he got profit of 30 rupees. There is a profit of 30 rupees on the cost price of 90 rupees. That is, there will be a profit of 30 rupees divided by 90 on the cost price of Rs 1, which is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, we can say that the cost price of 100 rupees, Rohit will get a profit of 1 by 3 multiplied by 100 rupees is equal to Rs 33.33 rupees. The profit earned for every 100 rupees spent on the cost price is called profit percentage. That is, Rohit will get 33.33% profit in this transaction. The profit percentage is always obtained on the cost price. So, we take the cost price as the base. We write the formula for profit percentage as profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%. Now, let's look at another situation of the transaction. Suppose Rohit bought an item for Rs 90, but due to some reason, he had to sell the item for Rs 54. Here, the cost price is 90 rupees and selling price is 54 rupees. Now think, had Rohit earned profit in this situation? Think. No, not at all. Since the cost price of the item has not been fully recovered in this transaction, therefore, Rohit will not be benefited here. Instead, he will be at a loss. When the selling price is less than the cost price, there is a loss in the transaction. This loss is obtained by subtracting the selling price from the cost price. Now imagine how we can get the loss percentage. Think. Like profit, loss also obtained on the cost price. So again, we consider cost price as the base. With this understanding, we write the formula for loss percentage as loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100%. Here, the loss percentage is equal to 36 divided by 90 multiplied by 100% is equal to 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 100% is equal to 40%. That is, Rohit incurred loss of 40% in this transaction. So today we have learned profit and loss. In the next video, we will see other interesting examples on this topic. Today we will see examples related to profit and loss. Meena bought 20 pencils at the rate of 5 rupees and 40 pencils at the rate of 4 rupees. Out of the total pencils, she sold 54 pencils at the rate of 4 rupees and 6 pencils at the rate of 3 rupees. Find the profit or loss percentage. First of all, we have to find the cost price or CP of all the pencils purchased. The total cost price is equal to cost price of 20 pencils that were purchased at the rate of 5 rupees per pencil plus cost price of 40 pencils that were purchased at the rate of 4 rupees per pencil, which is equal to rupees 5 multiplied by 20 plus rupees 4 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 100 rupees plus 160 rupees is equal to 260 rupees. Similarly, let's find the total selling price of the pencils. Total selling price is equal to the selling price of 54 pencils that was sold at rate of rupees 4 per pencil plus the selling price of 6 pencils that was sold at the rate of rupees 3 per pencil, which is equal to 216 rupees plus 18 rupees is equal to 234 rupees. Here we see that the total selling price is less than the cost price, so we can say that in this situation, Meena has incurred a loss. Since loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is CP minus SP is equal to, which is equal to 260 rupees minus 234 rupees, which is equal to 26 rupees. Since loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100% is equal to 26 divided by 260 multiplied by 100% is equal to 10%. That is, Meena incurred a loss of 10%. Next example, a shopkeeper sold a watch for rupees 1225, on which he earned a profit of 15%. Find out what will be the cost price of the watch. Stop this video and try to find the answer. Let me tell you, here the shopkeeper sold the watch for 1225 rupees. So, the selling price of the watch, that is SP, is 1225 rupees. He gained 15% profit. We know that profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%, and profit is equal to selling price SP minus cost price CP. Therefore, we can say that profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100% is equal to selling price divided by cost price minus 1 multiplied by 100%. SP minus CP divided by CP multiplied by 100 is equal to SP divided by CP minus 1 multiplied by 100%. In this way, 15% is equal to 1225 divided by cost price minus 1 multiplied by 100%. We will solve it this way. That is, 15 divided by 100 is equal to 1225 divided by cost price minus 1. That is, 15 divided by 100 plus 1 is equal to 1225 divided by cost price. That is, 115 divided by 100 is equal to 1225 divided by cost price. In this way, the cost price is equal to 1225 multiplied by 100 divided by 115. That is, the cost price is equal to 1065.22 rupees. Therefore, the cost price of the watch is 1065.22 rupees. You can solve this question with another easy method, which is called a unitary method, which we will see in the next video. So today we have seen the examples related to profit and loss. In the next video, we will see some misconceptions and mistakes related to them. Today we will see some misconceptions and mistakes related to profit and loss. Misconception 1. Identify the following statement as true or false. The selling price SP of an item is always higher than its cost price. Some of the students have misconception that the selling price of an item is always higher than its cost price. But this is a wrong understanding, so option 1 is the wrong answer. The selling price of an item may be equal to or less than its cost price. If SP is greater than CP, then there is profit in the transaction. If SP is less than CP, then there is loss in the transaction. If SP is equal to CP, then there is neither profit nor loss in the transaction. Hence, option 2 is the correct answer. Misconception 2. Sangeeta bought some sports goods for 2000 rupees. She sold it to school for rupees 2500. What is the profit percentage in this transaction? Some children think that the profit or loss percentage is obtained on selling price of the item. So, they use the wrong formula to find the profit or loss percentage. They write profit percentage is equal to profit divided by selling price multiplied by 100. Or loss percent is equal to loss divided by selling price multiplied by 100. While solving this example, children write profit is equal to SP minus CP is equal to 2500 rupees minus 2000 rupees is equal to 500 rupees. But while getting the percentage, they write the formula like this. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by selling price multiplied by 100%. By placing the numbers in this formula, they solve it like this. They get 20% profit as the answer, but it is wrong. Hence, option 1 is wrong answer. Remember, profit or loss is obtained on the cost price of the item. So, the cost price is always the base for finding profit or loss percentage. So, the correct formula is profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%, which is equal to 500 divided by 2000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 25%. Hence, option 2 is the correct answer. Now, let's see some mistakes. A shopkeeper buys 40 items for 2800 rupees. He sells them at a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of the goods. Children do not understand the information given in the question properly, and they also do not understand how to use it. Because of this, they make some mistakes. Let us understand these mistakes. Mistake 1. Some children do not understand the question properly. Here, the cost price of 40 items is given. But they think that the cost price of 40 items is equal to 40 multiplied by 2800 rupees is equal to 1,12,000 rupees. This is a misunderstanding. Mistake 2. Given the cost price is equal to 2800 rupees and the profit percentage is equal to 16% is equal to 16 divided by 100. The cost price and the profit are used to find the selling price. To do this, some children add percentage profit to the cost price. Hence, they get selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, which is equal to 2800 plus 16 divided by 100, which is equal to 2,80,016 rupees divided by 100, which is wrong. Remember, the selling price is obtained by adding the profit to the cost price, so we must convert the profit given in percentage into actual profit. Here, 16% profit tells us that if cost price is rupees 100, then the profit is rupees 16. In this way, we can say that when the cost price is 1 rupees, the profit will be 16 divided by 100. In this way, when the cost price is 2,800 rupees, then the profit will be rupees 16 divided by 100 multiplied by 2,800, that is 448 rupees. Hence, the selling price will be 2,800 rupees plus 448 rupees is equal to 3,248 rupees. So today we have seen some misconceptions and mistakes related to profit and loss.